Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, I'm starting to prepare my mise en place for the spaghetti. I'm trying to use this plastic knife, but no good. So I'm going to use this blade. Very sharp. So I have onion and bell pepper. Yeah, I'm always looking for a knife in the grocery, but I cannot find the ideal one. And then the sausage. Actually, I'm going to cut all of this. And I also have this tasty cheese. That's enough. I have all the ingredients ready. I'm going to put the onion, yeah, and bell pepper. And then, yeah, half of this minced meat. And then let's put the sausages. You know, I'm going to put this tomato sauce. Now I'm going to put some of this cheese. Yeah, it's already tastes like a Filipino spaghetti. Yeah, it's probably because of the onion and bell pepper. Yeah, but I'm still going to put this condensed milk. I think that's enough. Let's try. Yeah, delicious. Delicious, really delicious. So this is enough. And I'm going to keep it here. And I'm actually running out of water already. So I'm going to get water from there. I did not wash the pot. I just add some water. If you want to open a pasta packet like this, you just push the noodles on the side and boom. I'll be cooking only this much. Yeah, the gas is running out. I needed to shake the butane gas to be able to make the fire more strong. And now it's boiling. I just throw some of the water. Now I'm going to put some of this sauce. And this is my Filipino spaghetti. It's time to eat now. I would say that I should put a little more of the condensed milk. I don't really taste the sweetness. So this one is like Italian spaghetti. When I get home, I will fix it and make it like a real Filipino taste. Now it's time to clean and put the things in place. This is very cute kettle. We are leaving this place now. Yeah, we are going home now. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 9:20. I just took this from the car. I'm going to wash it later. I also took this from the fridge of the car. This is the spaghetti sauce. I'm going to add more condensed milk. I still have that sausage, the leftover from the camping, eggs, and this minced meat. And this is going to be my breakfast. And we're going to eat spaghetti again, Filipino spaghetti. Yeah, the sauce is already like this. And yesterday it doesn't have a sweetness on it, so I'm going to add some condensed milk. Some black pepper. I was actually just here in the house organizing the things that I use for camping. Okay, so this is my lunch. Maybe I put too much condensed milk this time. You will see. No. Just right. And it is not totally sweet. Actually, it's still savory, but not sour. I remember that Filipino spaghetti is delicious, even if it is coming freshly from the chiller. Yeah, you don't need to reheat it. Yeah, this is the second second batch. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, the time is running really fast. Already 1 o'clock. Yeah, and tomorrow I'll be back to work. I'm going to cut my hair because it's not really good. I already took a shower, already cut my hair, and this is how it looks now. I am planning to go out, but if I go out, I will spend money. So I'm not going. Let's open this. Instead, I'm going to cook my meal. Actually, this morning, I recooked this spaghetti. I actually still have a little. This will be it for tomorrow. And this ground beef, the leftover ground beef, I'm going to cook it now. Oh, this is not ground beef, this is minced pork. Still good. Just put this onion. Put some water. I remember that even without soy sauce, this one is delicious. I have some of this cherry tomato. Okay, this is my meal. And like what I've said, soy sauce is not necessary.